Hi, are you a spray bottle power user? Someone who works in the garage, around the yard, cleans in general? Or maybe you just have a strange way of cooling off on a hot day? Then you know this one just doesn't do the job. Introducing Pivot, a better way to spray.
The Pivot spray bottle is the solution. It's a robust and ergonomic spray tool with a pivoting trigger sprayer that rotates 180 degrees.
And comfort grip mean less hand and arm fatigue,
allowing you to spray continuously at any angle
and until the last drop.
a dual safety lock to help secure the chemicals from unwanted use.
Oh wait, can I get that bottle back? Here's what's wrong with these traditional spray bottles. As a power user, you know there are problems with spray bottles. When you get halfway through them, it'll hardly even spray without bubbles and air coming out. There's liquid in here, but this is all you get. Plus, you need to tilt the bottle in order to spray down. It's uncomfortable and can even lead to injury when the bottle is full. Also, there's a safety risk if kids get a hold of it and start spraying chemicals. Then there's storage. Ordinary spray bottles just take up too much space. Finally, it's top heavy. The next shift story starts years ago when Tyler and his wife Valerie worked at their family dry cleaners, where a need was identified and Pivot was invented. They are passionate about Pivot and committed to making this happen because they know how frustrating it can be to use a spray bottle that doesn't do the job right. They've been there and they know how you feel. You're tired of wasting time, you're tired of throwing cleaning solution out, you're tired of priming and getting nothing but air. Pivot is the answer.